This video is about how to generate video by using artificial intelligence. From script to video. This video is divided into 5 parts. How to log in into Pictory AI. How to generate script by using ChatGPT. What are different templates of Pictory AI? How to edit video in Pictory AI. And output or result of video. Open Pictory AI on your browser. This is the dashboard of this video creation AI tool. On the top you can see who can use Pictory AI tool. These are the different features of this tool. This is the brief list of features of this tool. So, let's jump into Pictory AI by clicking on Free Trial. Here you need to add your information or directly connect with Google account. Here is the main dashboard or features of this tool. You can create video by script. Click on Proceed of script to video. If you have already script, just paste here or type script here. In order to generate script by using AI, just go to ChatGPT and write here what you want. Like this is our topic and we ask ChatGPT to write script on it in an interesting way. There you have it. Our script is ready, just simple copy and paste into Pictory AI. After pasting, you need to do one more thing and that is separate every line or sentence. If we do this, it will automatically convert every line into separate scene. You will better understand in next step. These are the different templates which you can use it freely. Based on your need and use, you can select your template. Like this one. Or this one. This one is more suits on our video. That's it, your video is ready. Just click on download. That's how simple and easy it is to generate video by using AI. But if you want to edit or change something, you can do it. Like you can change font size of subtitle and many more by clicking on subtitle. You can delete any scene, check the preview, and many more. You can change the visuals of your video by searching or add from your media. Next you have audio option. You can select voice for voiceover. And volume setting, you can select it accordingly. Also you have background music option here. You can select mood of music for you and then select music for your project. Next you have text option. You can add text from here. In branding, you can add your company or channel intro and outro, etc. Format option, you can select different format, like for YouTube, this is the format. Here you have video quality option. These are the option you can play with. When your project is ready, you can check the preview or directly download into your device. Here your video is preparing for downloading. Once it's complete, you can download it into your device by click on download. This is the video.
Welcome to our video on the top 5 perfumes for women. Chanel No. 5. This iconic fragrance is a timeless classic with notes of jasmine, rose, and vanilla. And ranges in price from $80 to $200. Marc Jacobs Daisy. A fresh and youthful scent with notes of wild strawberry, violet, and jasmine. With a price range of $65 to $120. Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt. A unique unisex scent with fresh and salty notes inspired by the British coast. With a price range of $70 to $140. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. A popular citrusy and floral fragrance with notes of lemon, jasmine, and amber. Ranging in price from $55 to $125. Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. A bold and seductive scent with notes of black coffee, vanilla, and white flowers. With a price range of $75 to $145. There you have it, our top 5 perfumes for women. Each with a unique scent profile and price range. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.